ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining about the expansion of the liquids. Because of the previous part we have discussed the expansion of the solids we have discussed. Now expansion of the liquids. See, listen. Expansion of the liquids. Solids means if any heat applied time, that time the length or area or volume is expanded. But in liquid time, directly we can't expanded of the liquid, but this liquid is expansion want to means conformly we will take one of the solid material of the vessel. That vessel inside of the liquid we are taken, after we can apply some heat, after only the liquid expansion is possibility. Now I will take one of the vessel. This vessel inside of the water having at water level is at A point having. Now some heat applied with vessel means some burner applied heat. Some heat applied means after this water level what happen means first whenever we can apply to the heat, that time the vessel of the volume, the vessel is first expanded. Why means because the heat is applied time, vessel is first heated. Vessel heat after only the liquid is heated. The liquid is after only the liquid of expansion is possibility. Now heat is applied means that time vessel is some expanded. This is vessel. Some vessel is expanded, after immediately the water level is decreased. Water level is somewhat decreased. That is at point B considered. Now once continuously heat is applied, the water level is now some continuously is rises. This point is C considered. Now here three terms having A, B and AC and BC. Now here AB time, first whenever heat is applied time, AB represents the vessel expansion. AB represents vessel expansion. Now AC is represent of the increase of volume. Here apparent is increase means AC represents apparent expansion. Now here B to C, A to B is vessel, A to C is the apparent expansion, but B to C is the real expansion. BC represents real expansion. First, these are the at whatever whenever we can apply to the heat, that time the vessel and volume, vessel of the volume and liquid of the volume is expanded. But here totally finally whatever the vessel expansion time is the changes of the volume only. If you continuously heat applied time, the liquid is the expanded. If you liquid is expanded time, first here also apparent expansion and real expansion having. But what is the representation of the coefficient of real expansion? Coefficient of real expansion is representation of the gamma R is equal to the Here real expansion time also volume is changes. Volume is changes means Vt minus V naught by V naught into del T. These are the coefficient of real expansion. Same as it is, if your apparent expansion time also volume is changes, that volume is rises means coefficient of apparent expansion gamma A is equal to, here also apparent expansion time also volume is increases, volume is changes means Vt minus V naught by V naught into del T. Same as it is, AB represents the vessel expansion. Vessel expansion also volume is changes. Coefficient of vessel expansion means gamma vessel is equal to Vt minus V naught by V naught into del T. These are the explanation of the coefficient of apparent expansion and real expansion and vessel expansion. But if your volume is continuously changes time, what is the relation between of the coefficient of real expansion, volume expansion and vessel expansion? Means now here the representation of the vessel expansion and the representation of the apparent expansion is equal to the real expansion. Now here real expansion BC is equal to the apparent expansion and vessel expansion means AB plus AC. Now here each and all expansion is change of volume having. If you change of volume time, what happen the values means now here change of volume del V is equal to the gamma R into V naught into del T. Same as it is in apparent expansion time, del V is equal to the gamma A V naught into del T. Now in vessel expansion time also change of volume is del V is equal to gamma vessel into V naught into del T. Now here real expansion is equal to apparent expansion and vessel expansion is substitutions means BC means BC represents the real expansion of the change of volume is gamma R V naught into del T. Gamma R V naught into del T is equal to the AB representation of the vessel expansion of the change of volume is equal to gamma vessel V naught into del T plus AC representation of the apparent expansion of the change of volume is gamma A V naught into del T. Gamma A V naught into del T. Now here V naught del T is the cancel terms. remaining gamma R is equal to gamma vessel plus gamma A. These are the relation between of the real expansion and vessel expansion and apparent expansion. Now already previous part we have discussed, if you any solid body is expanded, that is volume is changes, means gamma is equal to 3 alpha we are studying. But here gamma vessel means the solid body of the vessel is expanded. Now another terms I will write, means gamma R is equal to gamma A plus 3 alpha, because of gamma vessel is equal to 3 alpha. These are the explanation of the expansion of liquids, means at coefficient of real expansion, volume real expansion and vessel expansion and apparent expansion. If you this expansion is continuously changes, what happen? The density. If your density is changes, how to representation of the expansion? Now we will discuss. Now expansion of the liquids after volume is changes, everything we have discussed. But if you at any density is variation with temperature, variation of density with temperature. Now how to the variation of density means, here first what is the relation between of density and volumes? Generally density equal to mass by volume, means suppose if your rho 1 is considered, means m by v1, rho 2 is considered, means m by v2. If you suppose now here v1 equal to m by rho 1, v2 is equal to m by rho 2. Why we will convert it to the, means always if you volume expanded we are considered, the volume expanded coefficient of volume expansion is a representation of the gamma expansion. Gamma is equal to the v2 minus v1 by v1 into del t. Now v2 replaced m by rho 2, v1 replaced m by rho 1, v1 replaced m by rho 1 is substitution. Now gamma is equal to v2 means m by rho 2 minus m by rho 1 by v1 means m by rho 1 into del t. Now here LCM is the rho 1 rho 2, rho 1 rho 2. Here rho 2 means remaining rho 1 minus rho 2 into common term is m outside by here m by rho 1 into del t. Now here m cancel, remaining apply to the reciprocally. Gamma is equal to the rho 1 minus rho 2 by rho 1 rho 2 into rho 1 by del t. Here now rho 1 cancel, remaining is the rho 1 minus rho 2 is equal to the gamma rho 2 into del t. Now rho 2 is converted to right side, rho 1 is equal to rho 2 plus gamma rho 2 del t. Now here common term is the rho 2 is common term, 1 plus gamma del t. Finally the rho 1 is equal to rho 2 into 1 plus gamma del T, but here at 2 rho 2 is the density of the at any temperature point, rho 1 is the initially of the temperature point. Now rho naught is equal to the rho T into 1 plus gamma del T. These are the explanation of the density relation, but we need at the rho T want, at any temperature density want, rho T is equal to the rho naught by converted total term downside means 1 plus gamma del T. Here denominator 1 plus gamma del T whole power 1 having converted to numerator minus 1 is possibility. Rho naught into 1 plus gamma del T whole power minus 1. Now in expansion methods 1 plus x whole to the power of n is equal to 1 plus or minus nx. Now applied means rho T is equal to the rho naught into 1 minus gamma del T. These are the explanation of the density, variation of density with temperature. But generally if you at any volume or any volume, pressure or coefficient of linear expansion based of the linear body and aerial body considered time, there here if you suppose volume considered means Vt is equal to the V naught into 1 plus gamma del T, but density considered time, the density of at temperature is equal to the initial of density 1 minus gamma del T. Density time only is entered of the this negative sign. And another one more also having, what is the relation between of density and mass means density and mass is both are the directly proportional. If you both are directly proportional also means empty rho is directly proportional to mass. Means now here also empty equal to initial of mass m naught 1 minus gamma del T. These are the variation of the mass, but we need at the majorly is the variation of density with temperature. These are the explanation of the expansions of liquid. Thank you for watching.